Performing regular maintenance on your laundry equipment is a critical step in ensuring your machine's reliability. First, we'll look at how to clean your lint screen and why you should do so regularly. A dryer's high heat temperatures can cause clothing and linens to shed some of their fibers. The lint screen prevents these fibers from getting into the dryer vent and hose. Proper airflow optimizes your dryer's performance. On your Encore machine, the lint filter is located inside of the drum. To clean, simply pull out and open the filter. Clean any remaining lint. Replace the lint screen and try to repeat this after every dryer cycle. If that's not possible, perform this task at the end of each day. Doing so will help your machine perform at its best. The dryer vent is the long tube on the back of the machine. A dryer vent is needed to remove heat and moisture from your laundry. Not having one is a serious fire hazard. Proper installation of a dryer vent and regular maintenance is necessary to ensure your Encore dryer functions properly. It's very important to clean the vent regularly. Lint and debris buildup affect the performance of your machine and also increase the risk of fire. We want you to have the best experience possible with your Encore laundry equipment. If you need to upgrade or replace your dryer vent, check out the Laundrylux online shop. You can purchase the replacement parts you need directly from laundrylux.com.